This is Swiss Hotel. It's the entrance. That's a big. We got ironing board. This is our room. King size bed. And we have a telly as well. Have the telly. This is sitting room.
Hindi ko may ano, pwede na tayo.
Oo. Pag may ano, no, Marlene.
This is our view. Sea view. Pwede na yun, Bes. Start na kayo. Okay na. Ano ko lang. You got your own tally.
Saka ito, ilipat na.
Oo.
Basta dito kami sa bata.
Oo.
Yung tempo na tayo.
Pwede naman. Para kung andito na ikaw na.
Kakainin.
Sa kainan na lang dyan na lang.